Hello, my partnership friends. This is Mrs. McQuinney here, and I've got a quick little video I'm going to go through with you to talk about the circulatory system. So as you can see in this picture, we've got the heart pumping, and then we've got arteries and veins in there. So the circulatory system is responsible for transporting substances between different parts of the body. As you can see in this picture, we've got oxygenated blood, so blood with oxygen in it going to the body, and then it comes back to the heart through the veins. The circulatory system has two parts, the heart, and then all the blood vessels that get that blood everywhere it needs to go. So the heart is the center of the circulatory system. It keeps pumping blood throughout the body, nonstop, never quits. That's why it's so important to exercise regularly to keep that muscle strong. The heart sends pure, oxygen-rich blood to all the parts of the body and receives impure blood from them. This impure blood, which contains carbon dioxide, is then sent to the lungs for purification. The lungs is where more oxygen is added to that blood. So the blood vessels act as pipes that carry blood to every cell in the body. We've got two different types of blood vessels here. The first one that we're going to talk about are arteries, and arteries are what carry that pure blood, so the blood that has oxygen in it, away from the heart into all the parts of the body that need it. The second blood vessel are called veins, and those carry the impure blood, or the blood that the oxygen has been taken out, from the parts of the body back to the heart. So arteries carry things away from the heart. Veins bring the blood back to the heart. Blood is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, and plasma. The red blood cells carry the oxygen in the blood. The white blood cells are responsible for fighting the germs that enter our body. So the white blood cells are a major part of our immune system. Then there's the plasma. The plasma is the liquid part of the blood and makes up almost 50% of the blood. The food, nutrients, and other substances needed by all of the parts of the body are dissolved and transported by the plasma. Similarly, all the waste substances to be thrown out from the lungs and the kidneys are also dissolved in the plasma and then transported. So basically, what I wanted you to take away from this video is that our circulatory system is made up of two parts. We've got the heart that sends all of that blood where it needs to go. That big, huge muscle sends the blood where it needs to go. And then we've got the arteries and the veins that are the pipeline to get them where they need to go. So the arteries are the pipe that sends it away from the heart. So that's the oxygenated blood is going away from the heart. And then the deoxygenated blood, so the blood that doesn't have any oxygen left in it, is sent back to the heart to get more oxygen put in it by the veins. So arteries send the blood away from the heart. Veins bring the oxygen or the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. All right, you guys have a great day. Don't forget to answer just a couple questions in Moodle, and we'll see you next week.